Lost your key?
Yes.
Not a very good thing. Say hi.
Why do you have a camera? How long does it take?
In my good days, 20 minutes. In my bad days, 22 minutes.
Okay.
Vauxhall Astra, that's HU100 and some lights.
I am kind of curious, I guess.
Uh-huh.
Wow. So that's really a skill.
It's called a lock picking tool. I'm just asking because this is like very worn out, like it was used daily, you know?
Oh, really? Maybe the previous owner.
Maybe, there you go. I'm gonna program the key really quick so we can turn off this noisy alarm. And then we're gonna cut the blade. Let's get the battery ready. And a nice keyring.
It looks very good.
James Bond's kind of office or something.
Wow! So clever. No, you should put a Mercedes one on there.
You want one? I can give you one. The quick test, please. Lock,
Okay.
unlock, and start the car.
Wow, and it's a flip one. That's
Yeah.
what I used to have. Woo! You're a genius. I love it.
Okay.
You should have told me. I could have made more effort.
Okay, let's start again.
I'll come out.
Oh, hello.
My car broke. Yeah, I trust you.
Okay, look after yourself, yeah?
You too. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.